Astronomers capture close-up images of the Sun using the Inouye Solar Telescope. At the end of 2019, astronomers successfully captured images of the Sun's surface using the new Inouye Solar Telescope, DKIST, from the closest distance possible to date. This refers to the telescope's remarkable magnification capabilities. The DKIST is the largest solar telescope in the world, funded by the National Science Foundation. Its primary lens has a diameter of 4 meters, approximately 13 feet. The telescope is located in the central Pacific Ocean, on the Hawaiian island of Maui, at an elevation of 3,000 meters, about 9,800 feet, above sea level. The Hawaiian island of Maui was chosen by scientists for the telescope's installation for good reason. They believe this location offers the most optimal conditions for observing the Sun. The comfortable altitude of 3 kilometers (1.86 miles), combined with favorable weather conditions, allows for detailed examination of the Sun's corona without significant interference. The image shows boiling solar plasma covering the entire visible surface of the Sun. Thanks to the advanced technology of the Inouye Solar Telescope, DKIST, the Sun's surface can now be observed in unprecedented detail. All areas of the Sun appear as distinct cells. According to scientist Thomas Rimley, the smallest of these cells measure about 30 to 35 kilometers, 18.6 to 21.7 miles across. The first images of the Sun were published on the National Science Foundation (NSF) website. The Sun is located approximately 148 million kilometers, 92 million miles from Earth. Its surface temperature reaches up to plus 5,800 degrees Celsius, 10,472 degrees Fahrenheit, while its core temperature is estimated to be around plus 15 million degrees Celsius, 27 million degrees Fahrenheit. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new exciting videos.